What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another how-to video. So basically what I want to do today is make another video, obviously. So I made a video about a month ago which was called how to upload videos from Xbox One to YouTube, and I now believe that has been patched. So your boy's got another way of doing it, and that video hit 2.4 thousand views, so I'm very thankful for that. Like, that's the most views my videos have ever got on YouTube, basically. But anyway, you want to come over to my games and apps, go down to apps, and you're going to need an app called Upload Studio. Now if you don't have this, it's free to download on the Xbox store. Just search Upload Studio. Then you're going to want to click Start from Scratch. Doesn't matter, I always like to pick 1080p. Add clip. And then, so say I want to do this 4-minute clip, I click on it. And then, just wait for this slowly. Let's move the camera a bit. I know it's time. I know it's also inspired now. So yeah, roughly, there's no camera and but media so something like that. I'm sorry, that's good. Yeah, sounds good. I'm just going to see this. Forgot to know. So you can play. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. When you have the clip, you click finish. Make sure you share to OneDrive. It's a really important one to share. Oh, you need up to 10 megabytes to save this clip. Damn. Right, I'm going to go and sort out my OneDrive and I will be back. So, on your iOS or Android device, you're going to want to download an app called OneDrive, and it's free to download, I believe on Android as well. And once you click on it, you're just going to sign in, and that's all we're going to do for now. So like you just seen, the OneDrive is compatible with iOS and Android. So you want to download the OneDrive app. It's completely free, and like I showed you in the video, you want to sign in. So then once this uploads to OneDrive, I will then show you what to do. And my camera just moved without me moving it, and my tripod just fell. Bear with me for a second, guys. This is very annoying. So how did I have it? So once the video has uploaded, like so. Right, I'm just gonna take my tripod off, it keeps on falling. So once the video has uploaded, you want to go to, one sec, right, I'll be back on the iOS now. So your video is uploaded to OneDrive, so launch the app and it'll be the first video there that you've just uploaded. And I thought I'd leave this in because I was failing for a while, because I figured out a way earlier and I forgot it, and I kept on pressing that little arrow thing, and I actually went out of the app a few times to see if it had downloaded, but it hadn't, so I kept on pressing that thing. But the right way to do it, you don't click save video. You actually want to click the, oh wait here guys, I just thought it'd be funny to leave it in. You want to click on your video that's just been uploaded, and you want to click the 3 dots in the top right. Oh no, here I am just demonstrating that it actually works. This is not a scam. This actually works. I'm just demonstrating it here. Yeah, come on, Kyle. Get finished with the demonstration. Yeah, so this is just me showing you that it works. And the reason why it's so small is because it's on my phone, but for you it'll be big screen. But anyway, you're going to want to click the 3 dots in the top right and click the download button. I clicked add to photo album, I done that wrong. Click download, and then should pop up saying it's downloaded, yep. Then go into your camera roll and it will be there. So then you can use whatever editing device you use to chop down your videos or add some editing skills. And then obviously upload to YouTube. So yeah, I really hope this helped you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Again, thank you so much for the support on that video. Even though it's like, well, I say patched, it's not really, it's just like not working, so I thought I'd try and grab another way around it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and peace.